Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday morning, it's 6:30 and I'm about to head down the gym, but today I'm taking a friend with me who is also going to be a new investor. So I'm working with my friend, they're going into what I call fixed investing. I'm going to tap into why they've chosen to do that, what's their long-term goals. It's going to be informative for you guys. We're going to have a workout while we do it, so stick around because it's going to be an interesting vlog and we're going to hopefully provide some information to why you should start investing and start planning for your financial future.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple.
Hey everyone, so we are at the gym, we're kind of mid-session. I'm joined with my friend, nicknamed Wilmer, but known as Mike, who is also going to be a new investor working with myself. So Mike, obviously you're going to be working with me. If you could just tell the viewers kind of, obviously we're going into fixed investing. So this is kind of that behind the scenes wealth part, set and forget, grow it over long term. Compounding, which is what I deal with a lot of my clients, and it's that long-term growth. So just for the audience, if you could tell us a little bit about the numbers of what you're looking to invest and what's your long-term goal? Why are you investing into set and forget essentially?
Yeah. Looking to invest 50, 60,000, something like that. It's going to be for a retirement fund.
Yeah.
So it's going to be long term. We're going to reinvest whenever it comes round.
Yeah.
And then basically just watch it grow over the years, hopefully.
Yeah.
And then at the end of it, we'll have a decent retirement fund. It is quite simple. It's as simple as that.
As simple as that. And that's the thing, it is nice and simple. And we're going, obviously, we're going to be looking at certain property development clients where we understand the market, you understand property yourself.
Yeah.
Mike is also involved in property with him and his partner. So you understand the market. A big important thing is that if you're going to be investing, especially if you're going to be doing reasonable sized chunks, as 50, 60,000 as Mike's going to be doing, it's that importance of knowing the market. You understand the property market yourself.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not massively involved with it, but certainly, you know, members of the family are and have been for many, many years. So there's a wealth of information that I can rely on there. And obviously yourself, who've been friends with for nearly 8 years. So I suppose I trust you.
Fingers crossed.
So,
But no, that's the importance of it. Is just I always try and remind all of you that if you're going to invest in something, there is a risk with everything. It's just about knowing the pros and cons and what could go wrong, and also taking full responsibility of knowing the market. That's the issue, is when people invest in something and don't really understand it, there's always that doubt. But this is through property development. The market itself, especially coming towards the end of 2021, is booming. It has a very strong forecast for 2022. And the housing demand is always there. We've never met that housing demand in the UK, so there's that drive to still get all these new residential blocks up, which is where we're going to be diversifying our funds. So just wanted to share that with you, so thanks for sharing that, Mike. We're going to crack on with the workout.
Taking a chance.
So another bit of recommendation I would always say, and you've heard me say it before, is keep money moving. So there are going to be a lot of changes within the central banks over the next few years where I believe they will make it difficult for you to withdraw money, move money about, and essentially that's going to cause, well, problems really if you have larger amounts in the bank. So that's just my recommendation. Whilst you can, think about moving money, investing it wisely going into 2022. That's just a very quick tip. Be good children, because this is Santa training for December. So workout finished, and the information that I hope you got from this vlog was start compounding as soon as possible. Move your money smartly, and the most important thing when you invest is that you invest into something that you know. And my friend, who is going to be a new client who I'm going to work with now, is looking to invest that sort of £50,000-60,000, going to start compounding, and eventually he wants to grow that wealth pot, which will basically be his second retirement pot, which is a really smart idea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a bit of a hybrid between personal finance and a bit of a gym workout, and just a good catch up with my friend. And until the next video, I will see you all very soon.